Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing the recipe of a keto peanut butter cup. We're going to try to make it as quickly as possible. So let's go ahead and watch how I make it. Before you forget, let me remind you to click the like button if you're enjoying the video. Also subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell which is right next to it to be notified every time that I add a new recipe.
So here I have half a cup of softened butter and we are going to soften it further using a stand mixer. If you don't have this, you can use a hand blender or do it by hand, to which I'm going to add some peanut butter. So my peanut butter is a natural peanut butter without salt or sugar, but since I'm using salted butter, I don't need to add any more salt. If you're using a regular peanut butter, then you can use unsalted butter. So just make sure that your salt is adjusted. And now we are going to mix this till it's a nice smooth paste. And here I'm adding 1/4 cup of powdered sweetener. So I'm using monk fruit. You can use any sweetener that you like, and you can also adjust the sweetness as per your liking with some stevia drops. For me, this level of sweetness was good, but I eat a little less sweet than normal people. My voice sounds a little nasal because I have some cough and cold. Nothing to worry, I'm already done with COVID, so it's just a general infection that I picked up somewhere. I'm also using these small cups in which I'm going to put some peanut butter and freeze this. So when I have my larger muffin cup and I put some chocolate at the bottom, I can actually dip these frozen peanut butter pieces in the center and then sort of cover it up with chocolate. That was my idea. I just wanted to show you guys, but it didn't work out for me. So I landed up doing it some other way, which I'm going to show you anyways, but I wanted to share this part.
So let's make our chocolate mixture now.
This is 99% cacao chocolate. This is the Amul brand. You can use any chocolate you want. I have used the whole bar because I made quite a few. I'll show you only 5. Now to that I've added 1/4 cup of butter and 1.5 tablespoon of the sweetener that I had ground in my coffee blender. Also I added about 10 to 12 drops of stevia. I'm going to warm this up in the microwave, mix it and give it a taste. The butter will also add saltiness to it. If you are using unsalted butter, you might want to add a pinch of salt to this. I put 1 tablespoon at the bottom of silicone muffin cup. And I put this in the freezer. Once it was frozen, I got it out. I've put about 1 tablespoon the peanut butter mixture in the center, and I'm going to top it off with the chocolate because peanut butter is going to hold the chocolate. It's not going to dip inside the peanut butter, which was what I was afraid in the beginning when I did the first layer of chocolate. So you can see it's covered the tops. And I'm going to put this back in the freezer and get it out and show you how beautiful it looks. I want to remind you guys to taste for sweetness because my level of sweetness will be different from yours. So you might want to adjust it with stevia drops. And this is the other one that I talked about, and I made it with some ganache where I had frozen the center and then I dipped it in the ganache. They just look non-presentable, so I didn't want to talk too much about them, but I'm going to tune the recipe a little further and share that with you soon. Now these are the peanut butter Reese's cups that I made, and what I did is I cut them into 4 because it is pretty heavy. It's got quite a bit of chocolate and peanut butter, and it's difficult to cut it later. So this is the time you want to cut them and store them either in the fridge or the freezer. They will stay good in the refrigerator part too.
So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the recipe and will give it a try. If you do, let me know how it turned out for you in the comment section. Also, if you click pictures, share them on my social media handles. I will be sharing all this information in the description. And also there is information about all the gadgets and the ingredients that I like to use in my kitchen. All that and the links to that is in the description section. And thanks for watching. Bye.